Here we go, here we go. Here we go, bro. Tēnā tātou e te whānau, nau mai haramai ki te papatako o Whutipōro ki a Hātearangi ki Tokomaru mo tēnei kēmu. Wainganui a te hau kāinga. Ko maro te maunga, ko manga hau ni te aua, ko te whānau a rua taupare, te whānau a tauarirangi ngā hapu. Nā reira, nau mai haramai ki tēnei kēmu, Wainganui a Waima me Tokomaru Bay United. Kia ora whānau, welcome to today's coverage, kindly brought to you by Troy Wheeler Contracting Limited. Te Runanganui o Ngāti Pro and Mackay Cartage. Yes, it was a tight call, but we got it. After that high-scoring women's game. About to get underway here at Hātearangi Domain. Battle of the Arco. Referee signals time on. They send it deep into Waima's 22. Waima bringing it out. It's there in the 22. Might have been a little knock on against Waima there, the first 5. Wairua just losing the ball there. It'll give an attacking opportunity early to Tokomaru Bay United. We'll run through these teams. Andrew Williams, Richie Tuhaka, Nanaya, is it Tuari? Adam Williams in at lock. Holden Maraki wearing number 5. Te Rewa Ruha, Tom Heavy, and Saul. Oh, there's none of that surname. Mahara Kurarangi wearing number 9. Api Pef at number 10. Waikura Delamere on the left wing. Matty Marino at second 5. Te Reo Williams at centre. James Te Kahiko on the right wing as they come out. It's Kurarangi gets it up to Pewhairangi. 5 out from the line as United go on attack just short of the line here. They build up momentum, driving at the line. It's Richard Ida and past Tuhaka with the ball, I think. Can he get it down? What's the referee say? There was advantage being played. He's come back for a penalty against Waima. That's Mr. Hairoa out there. Whitu Hairoa in the middle. They tap and go quickly. I'm sure that's gone backwards, says the referee. They're United on attack out wide here. 10 in from the sideline. They dig in for the ball at the base of the ruck. It comes out to one of the charging forwards. They drive again. Just stop short of the line. Another drive at the line. Can they get it down? Referee's playing advantage here. Offside against Waima at the ruck, I think. No advantage. There's a penalty. Again, our live stream's playing up on us, whānau, so we had to go quickly to my page and then share that to the radio page. Scrum called here. Early scrum. 5-metre scrum here. Attacking opportunity for Waima. For United. Let's get it right. Apologies. Hope we're coming through loud and clear. Scrum down. Referee's got a penalty here. Free kick against Waima coming in too early. They can't take a scrum. They tap it and go. Richard Tuhaka throws the dummy. Just stops short of the line. Kurarangi calling for the ball. Gives it out to his centre. Another charge at the line. The defence is holding here. They've got numbers. Kurarangi has a go himself. Just stop there. Referee says play on. Tuhaka comes in there to tidy up. It might have been knocked on. Waima might have come up with this. Turnover. Waima pushing it out of the in goal here. They throw the dummy off the base of the ruck, does the little halfback. Might have been a high shot there. Advantage here from the referee. Knock on, no. Knock on is the call. Might give us a chance to run through your Waima team. Waimarama, Walker, Wairama, Walker, Asha Wairama, Irutini Walker and Wiremu Raihania in the front row. Daryl Whaitiri and Arikirangi Thompson in the middle row. Troy Wharepapa, Taroha Feli and Sol Parata are your loose trio. Kahukahaki halfback, Safin Tuwairua is first five. Impala Iparaina Raima is on the left wing. Cannon Parata at second five. Uzi Parata at centre as we wait for the scrum to set. Tumo Tuwairua on the wing and Slade Teopara at the back. Ball comes out to Teopara. He'll look for the sideline. Safely into touch there. Good clearance play from Waima to get out of the red zone. This will bring play outside the 22 on this near side of the park. Just out, was it on the 22? Right on the line. Tokomaru Bay United line out throw. Lots of colour here at the field today. Of course, the local derby, Battle of the Arco. Short line out called here by United. Back line just being told you got to be back 10 metres. They go high to the front. Down to Kurarangi, out to Marino. Marino looking for runners. Gives it to his forwards to take up the middle. I think that was Te Hewa Ruha. They work it into the 22 now. Tuhaka playing halfback. Puts a little chip through, does Tuhaka. Full winger back there for for Waima, though, bringing it out of his in goal. Running it out of the 22, gets the pass back off his other winger. Still going is the number 14. That's Tuwairua. Accidentally offside, I think, is the call. Might have been, or knock on. Turnover here. It'll be a United feed. As we wait for the scrum to set here, an attacking opportunity again for United. Just gone 6 minutes, 30 gone in this first half. Kindly brought to you by Troy Wheeler Contracting Limited, Te Ranganui o Ngāti Pro and Mackay Cartage Limited. Sorry, it's a defensive scrum feed here for Waima. It's at the back. They give it out now, looking for runners. Running it out of the in goal here. Parata gets the pass away. It's gone to ground to Tuwairua. He does well to come back infield. Standing on his feet, gets the pass away again. Waima running it out of their in goal, out of their 22 now. Tuwairua playing halfback again. Gives it across to, I think that's Parata. Might be advantage here against United. High tackle there, just slipping up against the number 1 from Tokomaru Bay United. Back chat there, March 10. Easy exit for Waima out of the 22. Teopara will look for touch here down this near side of the park. Sends it safely into touch. Just watching here whether the touchy says the ball went out. Oh, wee. Hikama. I won't say anything. Just wait here for the line out. Attacking line out for Waima. Midway 10 metre 22, they call a short line out. They go high, down to Walker. They send it wide out to the midfield, to one of the locks out there. That was Thompson. Referee's got another penalty here. High tackle again against United. This one right out in front of the post, about 37 metres within kicking distance. What's Waima say? No, they're going to kick for touch here. Look for the sideline. Safely into touch inside the 22. Attacking line out here for Waima. Inside the 22. So it'll be Walker with the throw. Four-man line out called. They go right to the back. Spin it out wide. It's out to Tuwairua. He's looking for runners. He's got his number 6 out there in the back line. Wharepapa. Another advantage here from the referee against United. I'd say these tackles are just slipping up high. They're going to get a warning here shortly. This is 3 tackles in a row, I think. High shots. No warning. The ill discipline here from United allowing Waima right down into the red zone. They're going to kick for touch and look for an attacking line out. That will happen about 7 metres out from the corner flag in the far corner. Got Walker with the throw again. Full line out called here by Waima, and they get the drive on. They take it down in the middle through Whaitiri. Now they get the drive on. Referee, they pick and go blind. Walker down the blind. Stops just short of the line here. Halfback in there. No, the forwards pick and go again. Might be held up here. They'll need to get it out of there. If the maul and goes to ground. Oh, there's a try in the corner. They managed to free it out of that maul. First points on the board to Waima. If you watch the replay here, Walker goes blind. Gets stopped just short of the line. They have another pick and go there. You can see I think it's the number 1 with the ball. Wairama, twisting, turning, manages to get out of there. First points on the board with the kick to come. It's Tiopara. He's about 3 or 4 in from touch. Might be 5. Ooh, it's a beautiful day down here as well. It was really hot there at Kahuitara for a while today. As we wait for this kick, seems to be taking ages. Hurry up, man. It's high. Stays across the face of the post. Unsuccessful there. Score remains 5-0. United will come back to get us back underway here. A good crowd here, of course, with the battle of the Arco, mate versus mate. I don't think there's any brothers versus brothers out there. So it looks like Pewhairangi to get us back underway again. Stoppage here. I'm not sure what this corridor was going on for. I'm not sure what that was about, Whānau. Where's that sound coming from? I've got sound coming out here. Not sure where it's coming from. As that ball is kicked into touch by United. I've got some sound coming from somewhere for some reason. We're going to try and find out where that sound is coming from because it shouldn't be coming from me. There we go. It's gone. So line out, ball in, and it's messy. It's come down on the Waima side. They'll look to clear here as they spin it out wide through the hands. Oh, nice pick up there by Parata. They bring it wide. Out to Tuwairua in a bit of space. He chose the dummy, gets the pass away now to Tiopara up towards the halfway. It's been lost forward though by United. Both ways there, says the referee. By Waima, both ways. They'll come back for a scrum. It'll be a United put in. Just inside Waima territory. So wait for the scrum to set here. This was one of the worst things the last week's game was the resetting of the scrums. Well, we haven't had a reset yet. The referee calls them in. Scrum sets. Ball in. Little shunt there from Waima before the ball coming. Now out to Pewhairangi. Pewhairangi tries to go through the middle. Good 12 metres there. Referee's got a penalty against Waima coming from the side, I think. Not through the gate. They'll look for touch down this near sideline wall, United. Kurirangi to look for touch. Sends it down into the 22. An attacking line out coming here for Tokomaru Bay United. They're about 3 or 4 metres inside Waima's 22 on this near side of the field. Full line out called here. No, short line out. They dropped one, have they? No, full line out called. Everybody in. They go to the front. They look to set it up here. Faitiri has got his hands around the ball for Waima. Can United get it back? There's advantage here for United. They keep driving forward though. Still rolling forward. Referee playing advantage. They break away again. Little obstruction there, so they'll come back for the no advantage. This will allow them to push it in the corner again if they want to and set up another line out. Just looking at the halfback here, Kurirangi. He's going to kick for touch here. Look to put United on attack. They're about 10 out from the corner flag. Watch for the drive here. Tuhaka with the throw. Referee wants to see a gap. It's mixed up at the back, but the referee says play on as United come away with it, driving at the line. 1 metre short. Oh, it's bounced off. Referee's got advantage here there's a knock on. They'll come back for a penalty against Waima, offside. Lucky break there for United after a stumble in the line out from their jumper. The jumper went down in the line out. It was a messy throw. The ball popped out on the Waima side and a United player come up with it. They tap and they go quickly. Kurarangi having a go. He's got a high shot, I think. Players went high on him. Try there. Who gets up with the ball? Is it Richard? I don't pass. Tuhaka, I think it is. Oh, probably the oldest man on the paddock. Evens the score. Playing out there with his sons, of course. Oh, sorry. No, this wrong team. I was thinking of someone else. His son's not here. His son plays for Hiku. Apologies. 5-all. There was a bit of an argument on Facebook going on social media about his nickname. The old Coast players, they all know his nickname. And it's not Two Hucks. So opportunity here to take the lead. So Mahara Kurarangi with the conversion attempt. Playing at halfback today. 5-all with the kick to come. What a beautiful day in the bay here. Little bit of a wave. Flat as a lake. As Kurarangi steps back, he comes forward, he strikes. Just hangs it away to the right of the post. The score remains 5-all. Halfway through this first period of play. Scores locked up here at Hātearangi Domain. It'll be Teopara, Slade Teopara to get us back underway again. Looking to kick across to that clubroom side of the field. Puts it high, coming down midway, 10 metre 22. Tokomaru Bay underneath it, take it cleanly, I should say. It's there for Kurarangi. Back to his fullback who puts it high. Referee's got a penalty against Waima. Now, we've only got a first name for that fullback on the team sheet. Just says James. I'll ask the United supporters, what's the fullback's surname? What's the fullback's surname? I've only got James on the team sheet. Into touch there. Touch, the players are standing over the sideline. Referee's going to take the out. It'll be referee's call. Kelly. James Kelly at fullback for United. Thank you. We've got a name for our man. So penalty has been kicked out. Line out here for United. They're about 13 metres inside Waima territory in front of the grandstand changing rooms here at Hātearangi Domain. Tuhaka with the throw. They look to the middle. Taken down cleanly to Kurarangi. Kurarangi out to Marino. Marino gives it up to Williams in the midfield. Williams steps straight past the first tackle. And that's a big feat with a big man like that to get past the first tackle. Out to Pewhairangi. Pewhairangi gives it up to his lock. They drive it forward again. Looking to try and turn it over as Tuhaka plays halfback. They send it out one further. Kurarangi gets there now. Back to Pewhairangi. Pewhairangi sends it out to the middle. It's gone through the legs. Oh, it's kicked through here by Waima. Tidied up here by Kahika across there. Kahika shows a clean pair of heels to go down the sideline. Does James to Kahika. Puts a little chip in. Pewhairangi tracking up the middle. Pewhairangi's got it for United. He takes it to ground. 10 out from the line here. It's been kicked forward. Referee's got a little knock on in there. James Te Kahika lighting up the game with a huge run from back in his 10, in his own half. Was kicked through there by Waima, and Te Kahika having to scramble back there. And then he put on the afterburners, went down the side. No, there's a penalty. It's gone backwards, says the referee. There's a quick tap taken there by United. It's scrambled ball here. It's picked up here by Gee, I forgot that man's name. Bro, what's our man's name again? Kelly. Right. They go back infield to Williams. Williams gets the pass away. It's out to Pewhairangi. Long pass out to his winger. It's Te Kahika down the sideline. He dives in the corner. What a try effort there from James Te Kahika. United over in the corner. Watch the replay on this one if you've got Facebook. It's Kelly that goes for a run. He switches it back. Picked up there by his lock. Another drive. Spills out the back here and then they go open. There it is for Kurirangi. Gives it to Pewhairangi. Sorry, to Williams. Williams gives it up. Now it gets to Pewhairangi. Long pass out to Te Kahika. Puts the afterburners on. Watch him put his body on the line there. Goes through two players to put Tokomaru in the lead. 10 points to 5. With the kick to come. Kurirangi, he's right out wide. What an effort there from James Te Kahika. Put his body on the line, just threw himself at the defence. When you got that a bit of pace behind you, always helps. Kurirangi not going to have the distance or the accuracy. Score 10-5. After 25 minutes, 26 minutes, 25 minutes. So I'm not sure. I thought it was the ref signalling a knock-on from Pewhairangi. Somehow they got a penalty. As it's the Tuwairua to get us back underway for Waima. Hangs it high. Taken there by Wairama. Kurirangi gives it back to Kelly. Kelly puts it high down the sideline. Te Kahika chasing. Kelly's there too. It's going to beat them all over the side. What's the referee say? Penalty against United. Offside. Might have been the players in front of the kicker not retreating. Penalty here about 13 metres, 14 metres inside United territory. They'll look for the corner here, Waima. They'll look for the sideline, I should say. Tiopara pushes it into the 22. About 12 out from the corner flag here. Attacking line out coming for Waima. It's Walker with the throw. Short line out their call. They go to the back. It's taken down there by Fairley. Out to Tuwairua. Oh, it's gone to ground here. Parata does well to pick that up in the midfield. The support gets there now. Halfback in there, plucks it out. That's a Kahaki. They drive it forward. Another pick and go here. Oh, he might have lost it forward. Referee was playing advantage though. They go back. Referee's going right back, about 10 out from the line. Why am I going to look for the quick tap here? They do. Tuwairua having a go. Stop just short there. 5 out from the line here. Waima on attack. They pick and go. Driving again. Williams howls them up, drives them backwards. Still there for Waima. They spin it out. Tuwairua beats a player. Can he go over? Oh, nice little work there from the first 5. That'll even the score up. See if the replay picked up the little first 5. The forwards have a go here. If you're watching the replay. Right on the line. Some nice work coming up here from the first 5. It's big, strong work there on defense from Williams. The ball pops out. Right about here. Gets out to the first 5. He gets around. I think that's Pewhairangi he got around. Kick to come. Locked up. 10 all. Got Slade Te Opera. He's about 10 in from touch. He's a metre back from the line, from the 22. Pretty kickable position. Can he guide it between the posts? Put Waima back in the lead. Chasers are coming. Ball is high. Flag stay down. We've got a locked up ball game here at Hātearangi Domain. 10 all. Some nice work there by Tuwairua. Get his team back on the even scoreboard with United. About to get back underway here. They send it high. Fight to the underneath it. Gets the ball and the opposition at the same time. They send it back infield. Penalty against United again. Another high tackle there. Here's the kōrero. Ref wants to have a talk to the captain there. Number of high tackles. Anything up around the shoulders, pretty dangerous these days, or lucky to get away with it. So you better to come down a bit. Waima looking for touch. They haven't found it. They spin it infield to Kelly. Kelly gives it out to Pewhairangi. It's gone past him though. It's picked up here by the little winger. I think that's another Kurarangi out there. It's United, spin it back infield. That's Andrew Williams, takes it up towards the halfway, gives it up to his number 8, I think that's Roch. Over into Waima territory. Tuhaka plays halfback and sets it up. Referee's playing advantage here, off their feet at the breakdown. There'll be no advantage, they'll go back for the penalty. Let's check my cameraman's recording. Look for touch here. Well, United. Just looking at our time. There's about 8 minutes to go before half time, give or take. Locked up, 10 points all. Kurarangi to look for touch. He sends it high. Is it gone into touch? No. It's been tapped back infield. Te Opara does well there, breaks down the sideline, puts the little chip in. It's gone straight out on the full, I think. Oh, it's come off the side of the foot. It'll be a United line-out throw. They're roughly midway, 10 metre 22. They go quickly. They're not mucking around. Kurarangi plucks it out to Marino. Marino gives it up to one of his forwards standing in the back line there. They drive it forward. Kurarangi looking for the ball again. They come out to Tuhaka. Oh, these passes are letting them down. It's tidied up there by the number 11, Waikura Delamere. Tuhaka nearly gets out of there. Gives it back to Kurarangi. Out now to Marino. Marino, oh, the passes are not helping them. Play on, says the referee. Oh, a little knock on. No, offside. No. What's the call? Lost forward. Lost forward. Looked like a penalty there. I was just getting a bit mixed up with the calls, sorry. It's the passing that's letting United down. Excuse me, whānau. I had to wet the korokoro because by Jingos, it's hot here. Scrum down, midfield scrum. It's Waima ball. Ball in, they come blind. Little chip through. Chaser's having to get back there. Kelly's back there. Referee's got a penalty going right back to the scrum. Back to the scrum. Midway 10 metre 22. Offside against United. This will allow United, Waima, push it down the sideline. As we work towards half-time, an opportunity to get into an attacking position here just before half-time. Tiopara sends it safely into touch. About 9 metres inside United territory, right down in front of our camera crew. Short line out called. Short line out, there's only 3 of them coming in. Only 3 in there, United will have to drop one. Oh, there's a stoppage here. The halfback was standing in the line there. They're saying they had 3, but the halfback was standing in the line making the 4th. So you've either got 3 or 4 in the line out. 4 in. Ball goes down the middle. Tidied up there by, I think it's Thompson. No, Wairama. Wairama for Waima. They go. Penalty against number 7 here. Against Fairley. At the breakdown. Again, just little bits of ill discipline. Not helping either team here. Coaches will be pulling their hair out. I'll get an opportunity to have a cordial soon as we head to the half-time break. Now, an opportunity for United to get into an attacking position just before half-time. Kurirangi, it's a kick for touch. Oh, safely into touch. Not much distance though. Oh, it's a bit more distance than I thought, sorry. About 6 metres inside United territory. It's inside Waima territory. United go on attack. Short line out called. They go to the middle. It's plucked down to Kurirangi. Out now to Marino. Marino looking for runners. He's got Pewhairangi and he's got Williams on the charge. Williams takes it over the Waima 10 metre line. They're not letting him go. Now they do. Kurirangi looking for Pewhairangi again. Pewhairangi stepping back into the traffic. Needs the support of his forwards. They'll need a halfback now. Comes out now to Marino. Marino out to, I think that's Williams again. Williams gets it away to Tuhaka. Tuhaka throws the dummy, gets the pass infield. United just up behind, outside the Waima 22 now. They go to Marino. Marino bounce backwards, luckily for United. Roch taking it to ground. 3 away from the 22. They need a halfback. Kurirangi in there. Kelly calling for the ball. He's got Pewhairangi outside him. Pewhairangi looking for his winger. He's got Takahika in a bit of space. Takahika pushes off one. Takes it into the 22. United looking to recycle this. Kurirangi gets there now. They come open. Kelly at first receiver. Out to Marino. Marino steps back infield. Gives it to one of his forwards. I think that was Duha. They go back open to Pewhairangi. Pewhairangi charging towards the line. Just short. What's the referee? Penalty against Waima. Sorry, he wasn't just short. He was about 3 out. From here, it looked just short. High tackle there against Waima. They're going to tap and go here. They give it up to Williams. Williams on the chart. Williams driving at the line. Can he get it down? What's the referee say? He's down. Oh, line dropout. The referee couldn't see the ball. I think Williams will say he scored that. Could be the last play before half time here. It's a goal line restart. Tuairua with the ball. He's probably going to go short here, I think. No. Kahika gets it off the feet. The Kahika has a go. He takes it into contact. Into the 22 goes United. Out now to Tuhaka. Out to Marino. Marino gives it across to, I think that's Williams. No, Tuari. Referee's got advantage here. High shot, I think. We started off the game with United doing high tackles. We're finishing this first half with Waima doing high tackles. Kurarangi goes for a little dab. Into the 22. Tuhaka looking for runners. Marino. Marino's got... He's got Pewhairangi. Pewhairangi will go around next to the post just before half time. Danger time and Api Pef combining with Matty Marino. Watch the replay. As you see it pop out here to Marino. Kurarangi first. He goes for a little dab up the middle. Tuhaka having to play halfback. Gives it out to Marino. Marino spots a little bit of a gap. Pewhairangi does good to cut back there. Off the little short pass from Matty Marino. Takes the score out to 15-10 with the kick to come. And that should be half time. Kurarangi will line this up. He's just to the right of the post by about 6 or 7 metres. He's about 16 out from the line. Pretty kickable position here. He steps back. The chasers are coming. Flags go up. That's half time. Tokomaru Bay United will take a 7-point lead into the break. Here at Hātearangi Domain, we'll cross back to the studio. We'll be back with your second half in about 10 minutes. Check, check, check. Test, test. There we go. Check, check, check. Kia ora whānau. Welcome back to your second half coverage. Kindly brought to you by Troy Wheeler Contracting Limited, Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou, and Mackay Cartage, sorry. We have to get back underway here. If you've just joined us on the radio, Tokomaru Bay United, after a late try in that first half, take the lead, 17-10. Good battle going on here, the Battle of the Arco, like a state of origin. So referee about to get us back underway. Referee Hairua, Whitu Hairua. As Waima send it straight to Williams. Williams takes it in, takes it to ground, sets it up 12 metres shy of the halfway. Kurirangi digging in there, looking for the ball. Gives it out to Pewhairangi. Pewhairangi's got to put the boot to it, sends it deep. Waima have to track back into their 22 for this. They pick it up here through their little winger. He comes down the sideline though, showing a clean pair of heels. Now they get it to Parata in the midfield. Parata looking for another support. He gets it to Walker. Back over the United 10-metre line. It's there for the halfback. Kahaki out to Tuairua, puts a kick in. Looking for Tuairua out on the wing. It beats both of them. It's picked up here by Waima though. Some nice work by the winger out wide there. Although the defence gets him now. Counter ruck coming. The ball spills out the back of the Waima. Tidied up, Waima ruck I should say. Tidied up there by Whaitiri. Waima needing a halfback, might have been. No, they get a penalty out of this. Hands in the ruck is the call. The game finishing off where it just started. In the second half, hectic. Waima, what a good run from that winger. He looked like he had no support with him, but he hooked into the touch there. I think his team was hoping to go closer to the in goal or to the corner flag. Safely into touch though. Waima will have a line out a couple of metres inside United's 22, cross on their far side of the field. No updates from any of the other games. City playing Toka up in Tauro. It's tapped down on the United side. Picked up here by Kurirangi. No. Waima come up with it though. Waima on attack inside the 22. They send it out to Tuairua. Oh, might have been a little knock-on. Referee was playing advantage though. First knock-on by United. So Tokomaru hosting City up there at the Te Aroha Domain. Hikurangi were hosting TVC in the first defence of the Jerry Harrison, I think it's a Memorial Cup. And Waiapu down the line a bit further in Uawa, taking on Uawa. We're here, state of origin in Te Ako o Tokomaru. Currently 17-10, United lead. Waima on attack though, attacking scrum. 15 in from touch, a couple of metres inside the 22. Ball in, Kahaki. Plucks it out to Tuairua. Throws the dummy, does the little fella, nearly slices through. 15 out in front of the post. Penalty against United. I think that was the lock with the rights to the ball. The lock there for United. That's Willie. No, I've got his name there. Tom Heavey, I think, wearing number 5. or heavy. Not found touch. Kept in though. They take it up out of the 22. Bit of luck there for United. Comes back to Marino. Marino gives it out to Williams. Williams gets a little bit isolated. Marino has to get in there over the top of the ball. Kelly calling for the ball. Sends it downfield. Good kick on him. Turns Teopara around. Bounces away from him. Bounces away from him again. Picked up here by the winger though. For United, Waima. United players are there though. Parata plays halfback. He goes for a little jib off the side of the ruck there. Stolen by Roch, the number 8 for United. All rights to the ball. Over the top. Penalty awarded. And if Jeffrey Blackman's listening to his radio, he might be able to send me the score from Uawa game. He's probably not sending it if Uawa's losing. That's probably the... He'll hear me now and he'll send me a score. Anybody at those other games, if you can send me an update via Messenger, much appreciated. Got a stoppage in play here as it's Williams in back play for United, receiving treatment. Today Williams. And he's not going to be able to continue. He's leaving the field. He's had a good game out there. We didn't stop the clock, did we? We'll just leave it running and use it as a guide. So replacement there for United. I don't have a number. Hang on, 22. Might be Teopera. Gone to join the back line as Mahara Kururangi will look for touch down this near sideline. Safely into touch. Pushes play just outside the Waima 10-metre line. Taken down off. The referee's got a stoppage here. He's pulling out a card. No, I'm not sure what's going on here. Penalty. Penalty here to United. What was that call for? Confussed me. I'm confussed. It's a penalty though. It'll allow Mahara to push it further down. He's not going to find touch though. It bounces infield to Tuairua, who will look... No, he won't look for touch. He's going to run from everywhere as this young fella gets it away. Waima breaking out of there, 22. Oh, a little knock on in there though. Great to see the confidence to run it from their own line. So it'll be a United scrum feed here, about 14 metres inside Waima territory, about 10 in from this near side of touch. Kururangi will feed the scrum. A little bit of a blind here, should they want it. Kururangi goes open, goes for a little run himself, does Kururangi. He had the support with him. Little knock on there. If he had looked inside, Pewhairangi was gone. I think he looked inside. Just didn't want to give it to Api. Here we go. Let's have a look at the replay and see if we see it here while we wait for the scrum to reset. Ball went in. So waiting for the scrum to reset. We've got a little bit of time here. Watch Kururangi. Little jink up the middle. Look at Pewhairangi if he had... Oh, yeah. Never mind. Oh, dear. How sad. Never mind. Back to the game. Defensive scrum feed here for Waima. Right on the 22. Might be just inside. Ball in. They give it back to Tiopera sitting in the pocket. He's not going to find touch. Kelly underneath it on the halfway. Takes it cleanly. Goes across to the open field. Does Kelly. He's got Pewhairangi with, little knock on there. The pass just not going to hand. Picked up by Waima. They'll go back. I said it at half time that probably the passing for United has been their downfall. That one there, they had numbers if that pass had gone to hand. Scrum feed in the middle of the park here. It's these type of games, the battle, when you've got the whole town at the game. Half the town split supporting one team and the other half supporting the other. At full time, one half is going to be happy and the other half is going to be sad. Some substitutions there is the number 5. I think that's Parata for Waima has gone from the park. I think that was Saul, but he was wearing number 8 or number 5. Unless that was Arikirangi Thompson that's gone off. So it's a scrum feed here to Waima. Midfield scrum feed right on their 10-metre line. Ball in. It's there for Kahaki out the back now, and they put the boot to it. They get a nice bounce into touch just outside the 22. A little bit of an angle on their bounce, and it would have been a 50-22. Defensive line out coming for United. Just outside their 22. Tuhaka with the ball. There are some changes here for United. Changes all over the place here. And I'm picking, I don't have the names to these players on that have come on, because they're wearing the same numbers that the guys who were given the team sheet. Taken down there by United. Kurirangi gets swallowed up at the back of the ruck here, but there's a penalty against Waima. Not sure what the penalty was for. A little bit of an infringement that was out of our view. This will allow Pewhairangi to kick for touch here. He's just a metre inside the 22. About 10 in from touch. Is he going to find touch here? Yes, he is. Brings play up towards the 10-metre line. Just outside Miles' 10-metre line, or on the 10-metre line. This will give United an attacking opportunity. Short line out. They go quickly. They're not mucking around. Down to Kurirangi. Kurirangi had to juggle it. He's got the Waima defence all over him. He goes to ground now. The support gets there. Tuhaka having to tidy it up. Gives it up now to one of the new players on the park. He pushes off one tackle. Spins out of it. Goes to ground inside Waima territory. Trying to spin the ball away. Tuhaka looking for support. Gives it up to Roach. Roach. Not releasing the ball here. It's come out for... Might have been stolen there by Whaitiri. No, says the referee. Ruck was formed. I thought Whaitiri had a couple of goes at it there, and I think it was the second one. He didn't have rights to go. If you can't get it the first time, you're going into danger country if you go for the ball again. Pewhairangi will look for touch here. Sends it safely down towards the 22. We watch for the flag. Flag is going to stop just outside the Waima 22. An attacking line-out opportunity here for United. Short line out called. 4 men walk in. It's a substitution here. No, they're switching around. What's happening? Somebody's gone to the... Time back on? Just trying to figure out what was going on. Short line now called here. They go high. It's taken down cleanly. Out now to Marino. Marino looking for runners. He's got that new player on the park I don't have a name for, sorry. New halfback looking for the ball. Comes out to Pewhairangi. Pewhairangi stepping up the middle. Takes it down right on the 22. They go back infield. They drive it into the 22 now. It's there for the new halfback. Pewhairangi looking for the ball. He does well to hang on to that. Pops backwards. It's been knocked on. Waima come up with it. Fairly up the middle. Oh, he just gets taken down. It's still there for Waima though. They pick and go off the base of the ruck. Referee obviously playing advantage for a knock on. Still there for Waima. Midway 10 metre 22. They go open, out to Tuwairua. He's got his brother out on the right wing. Oh, gets past here. They've got support. Oh, the defence swallows him up there. Oh, pick and go here. They get the pass away to Palata. Palata, he's looking for support again. No support with him. Does well to stay on his feet. Penalty, though. Use of the foot in the... Oh, there's a penalty coming. Could be a card coming. Wasn't back 10. Another drive at the line here from Waima. Right on attack here. Defence holding. They go again. Referee will be playing advantage here. Still there for Waima. A couple of metres out. Pick and go coming. Twisting, turning. Held short. Still there. They've got numbers out wide here. They spin it now. No, they don't. Now they do. Walker having a go. Yes, he gets there. Nice work from the hooker. I thought they'd blown it. 15, 17 with the kick to come. The numbers out wide. The overlap was there for a while. If you watch on the replay, a couple of times there, I thought they'd go wide. And score an easy try. They made it harder for themselves. Kick coming to lock it up. Opportunity to lock it up. And again, it's those passes for Tokomaru Bay United. Not going to hand, letting Waima in. Tiopera will line this up. He's about 10, 12 metres to the left of the post as we look at it. Which one? Successful conversion. We are locked up here in the Battle of the Arco. 17 all. Yeah, I want this game to end in a draw again. There was a mix-up with the scores last year, and the game was actually a draw. But after the match, one team partied like they won, and the other team thought they'd lost. There was an actual mix-up, and scores were rectified back to a draw. So today, we're all locked up here. About 17 and a half minutes gone. I've got a name for that young fellow that's come on. It's AJ Williams. He's replaced his dad. They get us underway again. High kick. It's come off a Waima player. Been taken into touch there. Lost forward though, says the referee. United will get a scrum feed out of this. $17 all. Players are setting for the line out, but it's not a line out. It's a scrum feed for a knock on. It'll be a United scrum feed. This one here, roughly midway 10 metre, roughly midway between the 10 metre line and the 22 inside Waima territory. They're about 15 in from touch. right down in front of the United club rooms. Referee Hairoa calls them in. Ball in. It's at the back here. Marino at first receiver. Marino looking for runners. Gives it to Kurirangi, I think. Kurirangi goes to ground. The ball was ripped off him. Might have been gone forward. It has. It'll give Waima a scrum feed. This one here, about 8 out from Waima's 22. It'll be a Waima scrum feed right out in the middle of the park. Kahaki to feed the scrum. Referee calls them in. Ball in. It's there for Kahaki. Gives it out to Tuwairua. They're going to run it from here. New big man on the park. Number 25. I don't have a name for him. As Tuwairua looks for touch. He's going to put it out on the full. On the full, ref. Ref, on the full, ref. On the full, ref. Touchy. Referee on the full. Fetu, that was on the full. Referee, kicked out on the full. Oh, there's a big mistake here. You might hear me trying to rectify it. The ball was kicked out on the full, but they've gone to where it went out. They go quickly. Tap down on the United side. Waima come through quickly on the halfback. The halfback does well here. Oh, he might have lost it. Penalty is around the neck, though. Saviour there for United. There's a big mistake there by the touchy. That was out on the full. It's nowhere near the 22. They'll kick for touch here. Oh, they're saying it was touched. Didn't look like it was touched. I think was the call. Line out here, about 4 short of the halfway. Inside United territory. They go to the front. Tap down. Penalty against Waima though. Offside is the call inside the 10. Before the line out was over. They'll look for touch again. These are easy yards for United. They'll be coach killers for Waima. That might be his last kick for the game. sorry. Just gets it into touch, safely into touch. United line out here. 1 metre inside Waima territory. They go to the middle. Taken down cleanly. Now they go back. Oh, they're offside out behind you, ref. Referee's got advantage here as Williams with a big run up the middle. The backs were offside in the midfield. They quick ball here out to Marino. Marino looking for runners. He's got Kelly. It goes out wide now. New winger on the park. Down the sideline. Oh! High tackle around the neck there, or around above the shoulders. Not needed. It's these little ill-discipline that are killing both teams. All you needed was to tackle the man and put him over the sideline, and your team would have got the ball. Now, the opposition's got a penalty because you tackled high. And I think there's a warning going out. Too many high shots creeping into the game. Ill-discipline. It's a great game. Great battle. Locked up 17-all. Could do without those little shots at your kazi or little shots at your whanaunga that don't need to be in the game. Oh, they tap and go. United, Waima back deep. Pewhairangi Pewhairangi bringing it up. They've in it now. They've got numbers. Draw and pass. Oh, it's come off a United player, a Waima player, and gone forward. They'll come back for a knock-on. The draw and pass was all that was needed, but well done by the winger there for Waima to get in the way and stop that what was looking like a certain try. Some magic getting worked down the right side here. Just stifled at the last play there. Excuse me. Attacking scrum though to United inside Waima territory. Battle of the Arco coming down to the wire, locked up 17-all. You get the feeling that the next team to score will go a long way towards winning this game. It's at the back here for United. They drive it forward here. It's there for the halfback. He gives it out to the winger down the sideline. Oh, nice work. There's been ripped off him though and pushed over the sideline. Penalty though, not releasing. Hands in the ruck. Oh, that's the ill discipline we were talking about. Ref is saying the ball was on the ground. They tap and go to Williams. Didn't look like they were back 10 or back 5. They pick and go. Tuhaka getting closer here. The forwards will drive again. Just short. Can they recycle it here? Referee's playing advantage here. Watch for the tap and go. They're 5 out from the line. Richie Tuhaka taps and goes. Gives it up to Pewhairangi. Pewhairangi will go in. Some quick thinking there by the veteran Tuhaka. He might get player the day after this. Richie Tuhaka, watch the replay. They get the penalty from here. Referee was playing advantage. Watch the wily old fox, Richie Tuhaka. Referee blows the whistle. Tuhaka's looking for the ball. Watch him. Here he comes. Taps it to himself right behind the ref. Uppy Pef reading the play. Try. Kick to come. They're waiting for a tee. They got no tee. They're going to run out of time soon. They'll have to take a drop kick. I'm sure you're only allowed to wait a minute. Here comes the tee. He'll only have seconds when the tee gets to him. He takes the drop kick. Unsuccessful. United give themselves a little buffer. 22-17. What a game. Coming down to the wire. I haven't had any updates from any other games. Nobody's sending me scores. They must be all broken. Their team's losing. Here we go. Teopeta about to get us back underway. Sends it high. Underneath it. They let it bounce. Oh, it bounces. No, it doesn't bounce. Waima pick it up. High shot on the Waima player. Advantage here as they pick and go on attack. 10 out from the line. Charging at the line. What a run there from the number 1. Numbers out wide here. All they got to do is spin it. Teopeta, he'll go in. Oh, with the kick to come in a good position too. What a way to go, Waima, from the kickoff. Nobody from United wanted it. Watch the replay. There's the Waima break. The big number 1 took them right to the line. And of course, well, I thought Teopeta had taken the wrong choice here. He had numbers to burn outside him. One player to step though. Successful conversion while the replay was going on. Waima take the lead. 24-22. What a game. The Battle of the Arco come down to a misconversion. Substitutions coming. 2 points in it. Waima give themselves the buffer. Restart about to happen. Just waiting for, oh, there's a conversation going on here with the captains. There's a couple of high shots in that last set of play. Ref was playing advantage there at one stage for a high shot. So it's probably the last warning to both teams. Down to the wire with around 10 minutes to go. Referee sole judge of time, of course. As United get us back underway. It's high. Waima take it, taken to ground though. Penalty against Waima. Back chatting to the ref here. Right out in front of the sticks here. What does Waima do? I mean, United do. They've got a shot at goal right out in front of the sticks. Who's the kicker? They're pointing at the goal. They're pointing. Some are calling for a shot. Shot signal. Who's going to take it? And now they're looking at the kicker. Who wants to kick it? There, you kick it. You kick it. No, you kick it. Well, you're the one that pointed. Oh, the other fella just says, I'll take it. That's my kind of style. I would have just said, while you fellas are arguing, I'll have a kick. That's the new halfback. What's our halfback's name? Oh, that's Beretani Milner out there having a kick at goal. He comes in from about 25 out. The flags go up. 25-24. Milner. As I said, the two kickers at the back pointing at each other saying, you take it, you take it. He walks up to the tee and takes it. 1 point in it with about, well, your guess is as good as mine. We had a half an hour of injury play this morning. They're going to take it this time. They let it bounce again. United getting shoved back by Waima into the 22. Waima shoving United back into their 22. Tuaka comes away with it. Who else but Richie Tuaka? Takes it over the sideline. It'll be a Waima throw though. Attacking line out coming here for Waima. This game ain't over by a long shot. One point in it. Short line out called by Waima. Just inside United's 22. They're going to fight to the at the front. It's tapped down. It might have been lost forward. It is. No, says the referee. Might have been turned over as United drive forward. Penalty against Waima. Not supporting the body weight, I think, was the call. This will allow United to get out of the red zone. Milner puts it into touch. Safely into touch. He's roughly midway between his own 10 metre and 22. The line out will take place. Excitement katoa in this game. Richie Tuhaka, the evergreen. Or evergrey. I saw a post out there that they were only so when they used to watch Richie when they were kids. And they've stopped playing, they've retired. And our man is still out there. Legend. Line out here for United. They look to the middle. It's not straight, but there was a contest there for the ball as Kelly puts it high. It's coming down. Tilpata underneath it on the halfway. He's got Tuairua with him. Tuairua No advantage. Referee's going all the way back to where the ball was kicked. And it's against Waima. Early lift. Early lift, I think, was the call. You can't kick this out on the full because it's a free kick. You can't have a scrum. That's the new ruling. So anything they can do is tap and go. Can't kick it out on the full, or you can, but the opposition will get the ball. They send it straight to Kahaki. Kahaki out to Tiopeta, giving Waima the ball in space. Little chip through. Oh! To Wainua! What a beautiful piece of play there. The little first five will go next to the post. Watch the replay. From the kick here, the mistake was made. They should have just ran it, but they kicked it into play, into Waima, and watch what Waima does. Kelly here, looking for space, kicks it straight to Kahaki. Kahaki out to Tiopeta. Tiopeta one pass to Wairua. Watch the little dummy here, little chip through. I think he chases it through, gets the bounce. He's pretty confident. The hand was up, but he knew he'd won that race. Gives his team back the lead. 29-25 with the kick to come. Should be a pretty straightforward kick here for Tiopeta too. What a battle this is. The lead changing hands again. As Slade Tiopeta will line this up, trying to extend the lead here. He comes forward, he strikes. The flags go up. 31-25. 6-point lead. How long on the clock? I'd say there's about 6 or 7 minutes. Referee is sole judge of time. We haven't stopped our watch at any stage throughout the second half. We are down to the wire. Milner gets us back underway again. It's high, it's short. It's been lost forward there by Waima. It bounced off a United player and back to him. So they'll give away a scrum here. I'd say we're into the last 5 or so minutes. The shadows are getting a little bit longer here. I gotta love these. There's a penalty against Waima. Back chat. They're not mucking around. They look for touch. There's a line out coming here, an attacking line out for United, right outside Waima's 22. They're all disciplined there, just letting Waima down. I think if you've seen watching the game, the referee has been pinging you as soon as you back chat, so I'd be telling my team to shush. Especially when you've got the lead. Short line out called from United. They look to the front, tap down. Oh, it's gone straight out over the sideline, has it? It'll be a United line-out throw. They'll slow this down. They have the upper hand advantage at the moment. Short line-out called. They go to Faitiri. It's tapped down, tidied up by Walker. Out to Wairua. They send it up the middle through Parata. Pick and go here. They keep it coming out to Parata again. It's there again for the little first five. Pewhairangi getting in there looking for the ball. Play on, says the referee. There's a little break down the sideline. Advantage here for United. It's there. They need a halfback. They go out to Roach again. Roach. Oh, he beats the first one. Rolls forward. They need another halfback. Out now to Williams. They looked offside. Referee says play on. They charge forward. Tuhaka getting in there looking for the ball. It's there for Milner again. Out to his forwards again. They work it towards the 22. They're digging it out slowly. Pewhairangi comes blind. Shows the dummy. Pewhairangi. 15 out from the line now, United go. They pick and go through Ruha. 10 out from the line. Converted try needed here. Oh, they've gone too wide. It's out to Takahiko, is it? Didn't go to hand. Waima all over this, can they? No release. Which way's the penalty going? Oh, it's back chat against Waima again. That ill discipline. United need a try, a converted try. They're looking for runners. They come to Williams. Williams charging at the line. Williams will go in next to under the post. What a try from the big man. Ill discipline from Waima. Come back to haunt them. Watch the replay. There it is. They get marched for back chat. On the replay, the referee, you can see Williams. He's lining himself up in the midfield. Andrew Williams, here he comes. He wants the ball. Give it to me. He's got 10 metres to go. He beats the first one, says, get out of my way. The kick to take the lead. Milner gives his team the lead by 1. (32-31). We're probably in referee's hands in terms of time. What a game. What a game of rugby. Twists and turns all over the place. Till time though, Tiopera, as Waima have shown, they can score from anywhere. They let it bounce again. It's gone backwards, says the referee. Waima might have turned this over. United diving over the ball, I think. Referee's got a penalty. Oh, this is in kicking distance. There's only 1 point in it. Does Tiopera line up a shot at goal? What do they do? Do they go for a line out? They'll be asking the ref how long to go. How much time to go? 1 minute. Oh, they're going to take the line out here. Tiopera could line up a shot at goal to win it, but he's going to kick for touch. They push play into the 22. Last play coming, I think. What a game. Have we got another twist? Oh, a turn. Whose turn? Whose turn to be the big player in the bay? Andrew Williams just had his one. Here we go. This game down to the wire. I said it wasn't finished by a long shot. And it ain't. Here we go. Full line out called. Expect a drive. They go to fight it. It's tapped down at the front. It's messy. It's gone to ground. It's gone. It's still there for Waima. United driving them backwards. Waima still have the pill here, I think. They spin it out. They go back up the middle. Shuffles here. They're going to look for the wide. Tiopera spinning back infield. Oh, he nearly gets the pass away. Waima still going here. Can they steal it on the full-time hooter? They set it up 10 out. They go back infield. Tuwairua having another dig from the base of the ruck. Oh, it's gone backwards. It's been kicked out here. What's the referee say? There's a stoppage as Waima thought they had scored in the corner. Offside is the call. Offside against Waima. No, offside against United. There's a shot in front of the post here to win the game, I think. Penalty on full time in front of the post. Waima thinks they need to score a try. They tapped it and went. They want to score a try. Fight it, he's driving. Can he get it down? There's the try. They wanted it. They got it. Waima take it on to death, I think. Fight it. Oh, one more. 36, I think. 36-32. What a game of rugby this has been. I asked if there was any more twists. There was one. One big one. They didn't actually need to tap that. They just sort of kicked the goal and won. They've done it in style, though. Waima will take this one. Score at the moment, 36-32. I'd say that's time up. Or as the referee signalled, there's still time to go. Waima tracking back to get in position here. As Teopera lines this up, his team has a 4-point lead. Teopera steps back, he comes forward, chasers are coming. That's full time here at Hātearangi Domain. Waima take out the Battle of the Ako. 36 points to 32. What a game of rugby. Big mihi to our sponsors, of course, Troy Wheeler Contracting Limited, Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou and Mackay Cartage Limited. Big mihi to my man Scooter on the camera, keeping you connected to the play. And of course, our switcher back in the studio. That's our lot. We'll be back with another game. Exciting round of rugby for you next week. Ka kite.